My name is Tara Madison. I'm a partner with the Keene Miller Law Firm who practices in the areas of intellectual property law and business litigation. In this video, we will provide you with some information about trademarks, including how to get a trademark registration as well as other important considerations. A trademark is essentially a source identifier or a brand name. A trademark is a word, phrase, symbol, or design that is used to identify and distinguish the source of one party's goods and services from those of another. Think Golden Arches, Kleenex, Jell-O brand gelatin, or Keene Miller. A word, phrase, symbol, or design is only susceptible to trademark protection if it actually distinguishes the goods or services of one party from those of another. A generic word cannot be trademarked. Aspirin, for example, would not be susceptible to trademark registration because it merely identifies what the thing is. Bayer brand aspirin, however, could be protected because it distinguishes the product as a specific type of aspirin. Trademarks that are descriptive typically cannot be registered until they achieved a certain degree of distinctiveness in connection with a particular good or service. Descriptive trademarks are those that directly and clearly provide information about a characteristic or quality of the good or service identified. Trademarks that are confusingly similar to pre-existing trademarks are problematic. Confusing similarity is the standard for trademark infringement. In choosing a trademark, the dual goal should be to avoid merely descriptive trademarks and also to avoid trademarks that are confusingly similar to trademarks that already exist. Trademarks do not have to be registered. You can acquire trademark rights simply through use in interstate commerce. These are called common law rights. However, a trademark registration provides significant benefits. A federal trademark registration provides significant benefits. You get a legal presumption that you are the rightful owner of your trademark and also the exclusive user of your trademark nationwide in connection with the goods and services identified. You also get jurisdiction to sue for trademark infringement in federal court. Also, only owners of federal trademark registrations get to use the circle R symbol. Federal trademark registrations can be applied for marks already in use in interstate commerce or marks that intend to be used in the future. Federal trademark applications are submitted to the United States Patent and Trademark Office and can be submitted electronically or through U.S. mail. Certain information must be included in a federal trademark application, all of which becomes a part of a public record. First, you must provide the name of the owner. The owner is the person or entity who controls the trademark. Second, you must provide a trademark drawing, which is just a clear image of the trademark you are seeking to register. Third, application fees must be submitted at the time the application is sent in. Application fees may vary depending on the number of classes of goods or services for which you're seeking protection. Fourth, if you are already using your trademark in commerce, you will need to submit a specimen or sample of how the trademark is actually used, as well as a date that it was first used in interstate commerce. The total time to complete the federal trademark registration process varies. It could be a matter of months or years depending upon the filing basis. At best, you could have a trademark within 6 months. The initial term of a federal trademark registration is 10 years, assuming you file the necessary maintenance documents within that time period. But a federal trademark registration can be maintained indefinitely as long as use in interstate commerce continues and you file the necessary maintenance documents and renewals to prove the use has continued. You are not required to have an attorney to file a federal trademark application. But many applicants do hire private attorneys because they are familiar with the procedure and can provide advice regarding the likelihood of success of a federal trademark application. Also, private attorneys can be beneficial in helping to maintain a registration once granted. It's important to keep in mind that federal trademark registration is not guaranteed and filing fees are not refundable. Before filing a federal trademark application, it is advisable to conduct trademark searches. You can conduct searches on your own using the United States Patent and Trademark Office website, or you can hire a private attorney to conduct the trademark searches for you. Whether or not you have a federal trademark registration, you can use the TM or SM symbols to indicate your rights to others. TM stands for trademark and SM stands for service mark. However, you can only use the circle R symbol if you have a federal trademark registration. I hope you found the information presented in this video helpful in understanding what a trademark is and what it protects. It's important to keep in mind that a trademark is a source identifier. With a federal trademark registration, you could get the exclusive right to use a trademark in connection with a particular good or service nationwide. Trademarks can be very valuable tools in a competitive market.